Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex from Fitment Industries.
And I'm Jasper from Fitment Industries.
Well, we brought him back, so he doesn't have art school today, so he is making a guest appearance.
Right.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
We're glad to have you back. And we have Banker from Fitment Industries, the exact opposite of Jasper. And we thought this would be a great episode for them to go toe-to-toe and rate your cars in our gallery. So if you're looking to have your car on the show, all you have to do is add your car to the gallery at fitmentindustries.com/add.
Oh.
No, you didn't do the thing. You have to do it from start to open.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, like that.
And
Boom.
you have to send in the link, your URL, to shop@fitmentindustries.com with the subject line, review my car. That's all you gotta do. And then if we like it, we'll throw it around here. And we have Banker here. Banker's a truck guy, so this is gonna be even more exciting. But mostly we brought Banker on because he hates Jasper. That's pretty much.
Yep, and I like Banker, so that's interesting.
I hate Jasper's car.
Right.
All right, so we're gonna get right into it. So the first car that we have here today is a 2015 Ford Focus ST, and he is on some Savina BM10s, 19 by 9.5 plus 42. He has on some Atsu FP 8000s, 235/35s, and he's on air.
Yeah, so he took a car that was designed to be a rally car and put it on air.
And what is that? How does that make you feel?
It's nicely done.
Okay, Jasper, any thoughts on this one?
The ST model is so common throughout. I mean, in this area, I know for sure it's very common.
Yeah.
I think for him to go air ride and like get a little bit of good fitment. Yeah, I don't know. It's just like bags, wheels, pretty simply done.
Yeah, it looks like he has some engine mods to it. I think one thing I do like about it is that he is sitting almost fender to lip.
Yeah.
I would say if you would have pulled back one more tire size,
Yeah.
he would have been right on it, which I know you love.
Yeah,
you love
no,
that look.
I hate that look. I'm so glad that he went with this size tire because that actually doesn't look bad.
I like it. I think it looks, you know, I don't think it looks bad. It's a lot of yellow though. All right, so let's rate this thing since I'm 0 out of 2 and we're just gonna get on with it.
Right.
Remember, out of 10,
I know how this works.
Banker. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3,
7.5.
Wow, we did, yeah, that's so good. I'm so proud of both of you.
Thanks, Dad.
You guys are just,
Thanks.
I mean, I'm just so happy. All right, let's move on to the next one. We'll see how, oh my.
Oh.
Oh boy. We have a 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Evo. We have it on 59 degrees north wheels, which is a very interesting brand name. D004, 18 by 11s plus 15, so it's a square setup on some Yokohama Advan Niova 8008Rs, 285/30. Those are some expensive tires
Right.
to date.
Yeah.
On some BC Racing coilovers. There's a whole lot happening on this car though. Banker, would you like to start it off? It looks like he's got some over fenders, 25mm front spacers, 45mm rear spacers.
Oh.
It's 669 horsepower though,
Oh wow, that's.
and 698 Newton meters at the hubs, which,
I have no idea what that means.
well, this is America.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, Banker, thoughts?
I don't know if he knows what he wants to do with this car. He's like, yeah, it's an Evo, so off-road, except I'm gonna put street tires and I'm gonna lower it, but I'm gonna make it really wide like a track setup. But I'm not.
I think it's very interesting. There's just a lot happening.
I think Jasper should get one of those for his car so he can carry a spare at all times.
I have a full spare, thank you. I'm a fan, even though I say that all the time.
You
I
do.
think he
Literally every car.
He's got those over fenders, which normally on a 4-door car are like so hard to pull off because like they just have like such a look to them that you can't just like throw a wide body on it. But like they're so subtle that they work really well. It seems like with the spacers though, like he necessarily didn't have to put the over fenders on. Like it was like just something he really wanted to do because like they're 45 in the rear and 25 in the front. So I guess that's the only thing. No, I mean, I think it's a super clean car.
I think it's a very interesting setup because Banker is right. It looks like there's a lot of things that he's trying to do with the car. And then the spacers on it just seem a little bit weird to me, especially considering that it's an all-wheel drive setup. I think it's super cool that this guy's pushing over 650 horsepower, so you have to give him credit for the fact that it's not just a look car. It does go, it does scoot. I am not a massive fan of the drooped over fenders. So what I mean by that is like, you see how the rear fender kind of comes down instead of going straight with the body line. So I had that on the Datsun and I was just never a fan of how some over fenders would droop back. So that's the only thing I'm not a super big fan of, but I do love the aero. I do love the fact that it actually does go and skirt quite well from what he's saying. So let's rate the car. Let's rate the car. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
7.5. What'd you give it?
I gave it a 7. What'd you give it?
6.
I mean,
Yeah.
we're good. You know, I would have assumed the truck guy would have been like 2. It doesn't have a bed. It doesn't have. You can't toast it.
You know I can reach you.
I know.
Oh, that's nice.
So now we have a 2002 BMW M3 on some Workmeister S13Ps. 19 by 10 plus 20 in the front, 19 by 11.5 plus 16 in the rear. Achilles ATR Sport 2s, 235/35s, rear 275/30 on airlift suspension, right? Is that what it is?
Oh,
I
that's
just want to make
beautiful.
sure that it's on. Oh, it's air suspension. Yep, airlift. Look at that fitment, just right there.
Oh. Can I start?
And it's got some motor work, it looks like. Yeah, Jasper, why don't you give her
All
the
right.
go ahead?
Reasons why this car is baller, right?
Okay.
1, it's an M3 already.
Okay.
ITBs, Workmeisters. He's got just the whole 9 yards, just everything. And he's got like, perfect fitment. Oh, this is a perfect car.
So it's an M3, which is a race car,
Right. Okay. So he's got.
and his
two-
wheels are crooked.
Here's the deal. He's got. Those aren't crooked.
Technically, anything less than -3 degrees is still track built purpose.
In the rear,
Well,
Yeah. And
the pressure can still go.
it's just cool. Like when you air out a car, it just naturally does like the.
yeah, it does. What is
It's
on here?
-2, -4
in the rear.
Yeah. That's like fairly functional.
so I don't think that's terrible.
It's-
And
fairly
he's on
functional.
275s in the rear, if I read that right.
Yeah, it's 319 horsepower. He's got a whole mod list up in here for us, which is awesome.
That's the best part.
I like that a lot.
Did you see his trunk setup? His trunk setup is
Yeah,
nice.
as somebody who does do the trunk setups for us, I mean,
And
that looks pretty
that
darn
is
good.
very nice.
Very functional. Like
Yeah,
he still can put a lot.
Yeah, he still has trunk space.
Oh,
I do have one small complaint.
don't.
I'm gonna do it. He has everything so well dialed in. Everything is so perfect about this car. I absolutely love it. The color combination is there. Everything is there. Why would you go cheap on the tires?
What does he have?
He has
Achilles.
Achilles ATR Sport 2s.
Maybe he just likes to party, do burnouts.
They're
like the
crooked, so
party.
they're cheap tires.
I know, but like,
You're gonna go through the inside of those tires every.
I know, but I
It's
feel like
negative
every
4
other day?
degrees. It's negative. That's not. That's literally so minimal.
I think it would be cool to see. I think he has everything built for this to be like a show car, a function car, a car that you can actually use every day. It would have been cool to see something like maybe going up into the Toyo or Nitto or like even Michelin range of tires so that like it had, I don't know. I've just always been a real, tires are important too.
For the fact that he kept the North American like side markers, so like the orange ambers and everything.
Oh.
Like there and like his side
Well, they're
markers
gone
too in the
here.
rear. Well, okay, just don't mind that one. First. But like he also matched it with his brakes and his ITBs
Yeah.
and his air setup.
The color is good. All right, so on 3.
3.
Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
8.5.
That's pretty good. Wow. 8.5. And he has camber.
See, here's the thing.
Hell
is
is
that
frozen, ladies.
you are-
Hell has.
You
Yep.
argued it well.
Yeah.
Hell has frozen over. It's a very well done car.
He did very well done. Yeah. This is nice.
That is nice.
Nicely done. Nicely done, T Grimes.
Yeah,
I like it.
him,
I like
the
it.
man.
It's very nice.
What's up, fool?
right.
Yeah.
I like.
Next up, we have a 2016, and I think this is the last car. 2016 Subaru WRX STI on Workmeisters. Again.
Look,
Workmeisters.
another rally
Again,
car on air.
18 by 10 plus 18. Hankook V12 225/40. I'm just gonna pretend that he didn't say that. I appreciate your opinion. I want you to know that from the bottom of my heart. He has the Cybin carbon hood, full lip kit, fog light bezels, charge speed grille, ETS front mount, full turbo back, full bolt-ons, running 85 with a Cobb Flex fuel kit, bride seats, etc.
You skipped the most important part.
What?
Can you scroll down? Natural camber.
Natural camber when aired out. So he's like, yo, bro, it just does that. I didn't make it do that. It just does it. It's a clean looking car.
Yeah.
Can we just talk about the fact that everybody's running S13s though?
Like my, you're talking about
Yeah,
Meisters.
Meisters, like everybody.
Yeah.
Like all of
I
them.
mean,
I'm not saying they're.
It's a
yeah,
classic
it
wheel.
is a
Iconic
classic wheel.
Wheels, part 1.
I know we said
Is
it.
in our
It was
Iconic
in the
Wheels
part 1.
Okay,
It was
part
the,
1.
It was the Meister.
Yup, it's in there.
I know.
Iconic.
I'm not saying it's a bad choice. I'm just saying it's a common choice.
Yeah.
I am happy that he doesn't have the giant wing.
I like the duck.
The duck bill looks
Yeah,
nice.
Yes.
the duck bill looks good. All right. Anything that you'd like to talk about with this car?
It's a clean bag Subaru. I mean, they kind of start to look all the same when people take rally cars and put them on air, on the ground.
Your opinion sucks. So I think with the carbon, normally I'm not a fan of it, but because he also has the trunk and the hood carbon, like it goes together well.
Yeah.
This normally just looks like a mismatched body panel, but I think it like ties in together because like it's so blue.
Yeah,
And,
there's
like,
a lot of
he also
blue.
has, like, it's really vibrant. But,
It's
like,
a really bright blue.
yeah. But like
There's
he
a lot of
also
blue.
has like the he also has
You even
the
notice that
black
the photos
mirrors.
have been tinged blue to
Right.
make the car
It's
look
just-
more blue.
It's a lot.
As a photographer,
But I
we
think
see those things.
I think he could run a smaller tire because like he's very close to sitting fender to lip, and I realize like he doesn't have any like
Yeah, if you went
camber
down to 35.
modifications, but like he's sitting on like very close right there. Just ooh. Let's
As
rate the
Jasper
car.
said.
Right.
Well, what about my opinion? I mean, I know it's not super
Oh,
super
yeah,
duper
sorry.
important or
No,
anything
it's
like
fine.
that. It's completely fine. I mean, it's only I'm the one with the laptop.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine. No, just give your opinion, whatever.
Thanks.
Rate it.
I think it's all right. All right, let's rate it. On 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 7. We are so just
Pretty
on the
consistent, yeah.
gosh darn game.
I
Makes
would have
me
given
happy.
him a 7, but I don't like the white wheels when it's the only white thing on the car.
But he has the blue stickers on the spoke that matches the color.
Which is true.
do
It's
a
just
blue sticker in it.
for me like it's such like a bright car for me, and like I always see when I see the hood and when I see the trunk, I'd always like to see like you do the whole thing with the battle style. So do the fenders, do all of that. Like I think that look is super cool.
Right.
I think the whole carbon fiber opposite color thing is starting to go away, but
Yeah.
who knows? It was really popular a while ago. But yeah,
nice
you know,
picture.
that's a good picture. It's
Yeah.
nice. It's nice. Maybe you could learn a thing or two.
I take good photos.
Do you? Are you sure?
All right.
That is everything. Those are the cars. We only did 4 cars.
4.
Did we?
Yeah.
Did
Yes.
3.
4. 4 sounds like 4.
We only did 4. All right, fine. Well, you know, you copied the same car twice. There's 5 links, 4 cars. There's 2 that were the same car.
Yeah.
I mean, that M3 was that good, but
Yeah, the M3 was great.
Me too.
It's all right, Claire. I'm sure the YouTube community will definitely cut you a break.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
yeah, they love anyone who makes a mistake.
Yep, they
Yep.
do it. So that is our episode of reviewing the cars. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you want to be a part of the series, all you have to do is add your car to the gallery, do the thing. Yeah, it's super hard to do, so it takes us like an hour to add that
Right.
in. Super awesome. And then don't forget that once you add your car to the gallery, you just send us an email at shop@fitmentindustries.com. There will be a description link below for you to check out. Check out fitmentindustries.com. Description is also there to check out wheels, tires, suspension, airlift, all that sort of good stuff. I'm Alex from Fitment Industries.
I'm Banker, not Fitment Industries.
And I'm Jasper from not
Sometimes.
sometimes Fitment Industries.
And we will see you later.